If your dryer keeps running when you open the door like this, it's the door switch that has gone bad. This switch right here has gone bad. That's why when you open your door, your dryer continue to keep running. So we're going to replace this switch. In order to get to this switch, first thing you do is take your lint door out and take these two screws out right here. After you've taken them two screws out, take your screwdriver, pop your lid up. After you pop your lid up, you're able to get to this switch right here. You also have two screws right here that you have to take out. Got two long screws. Next, just unplug this. Take your screwdriver. Might have to pry it up a little bit. And that's what it looks like. Alright, you take this new one and put it back in place. Take your new one, plug it up. Set it back in place, screw it in. Slide it back in place. Make sure that tab is sticking toward the door. You don't want it like that, but have it sticking toward the door. After you got it in place, then put two screws back in. After you tighten up these two screws right here good and tight, drop your lid down, and then put your two screws back in for your lint door. Put your lint door back in, and since we have changed that door switch, the dryer should now stop running when you open your door.